Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. Let's just get into it. Oh, I just got my FabFitFun, okay, for summer. So I'm excited. Are you excited? Do you want to see what I got? Do you want to see what I customize? I'm an annual member, which means I spend about $199 for annual, and you can customize the whole box, the whole thing. It's all yours to customize. If you are a seasonal member, which means every season you pay $54.99, I believe, then you customize most of it, I think. Not sure. But if you're interested in trying FabFitFun, let me know down in the comments and I'll send you a link or email address. Let me know in the comments. So let's just jump into this. I'll tell you what I added on and I'll tell you if I have prices. And then you could tell me if the box is worth it. Wow. So if you missed my spring box, I'll leave it up here and you can go check it out. In the winter box somewhere up there as well. Let's just check out this amazing and heavy box. Look at the popsicles. And it's purple. It's purple. I love purple. Oh my gosh. So it's super heavy. I gotta put that down. There's some other stuff in here I will get to. Guys, FabFitFun is one of my favorite seasonal subscription boxes for lifestyle, for fitness, for fabulosity, and they have makeup, skincare, and other items that I probably wouldn't buy, but for the price of the box, it is totally worth it to try or to add on some of your favorite stuff. So I'm gonna crack this baby open. Let's see. Oh man, this is a nice box. Let's not ruin it. Okay, so here we go. Oh. So this box is made out of 100% recyclable craft material. This is great, and this is what it's looking like. Jam-packed. Can't believe it. Okay, so you get some stickers. Oh, that is heavy. Oh my gosh. And these are very summer inspired. I love the popsicle, so that's very cute. Over here with our collection of stickers, 15% off if you want to try that. I will leave that code, first come, first serve, down in the comments. 15 off your first box. That's a deal. It's really a deal. We have our FabFitFun magazine, purple. Okay, summer your way. Summer is here. Summer 2022. You guys have anything planned for summer? So this is talking about the summer box. So there are some items in there. Let's see. Fun in the sun, summer self-care. That's great. Routines, taste of the tropics. So you get some like recipes, oven baked coconut shrimp. Let's see, what else do we have? This box just wants to attack me. Some fitness stuff here. So there's a little bit of everything. Refills, zodiac sign. There's a right track, kind of keep you in the loop. And then exclusive offers in the back. Okay, so I don't really see any prices, so we're just gonna go with it. I do have prices for my add-ons. Okay, so I found some prices, so this should be good. Okay, so first off, I have material. This is 2 glass containers with wood lids. Okay, and then it is $35. These are cute. For like storage and organization. looking like, even for the bathroom. I will say that lid didn't look like it was on right, so that's that. And there's two, so they're the same. Okay, cool. 35 bucks, probably wouldn't have bought that. Okay, what's next? This Ray Dunn set. It is the guac and salsa. This is $40. I do have this, but I figured it was such a good one. I do love Ray Dunn products. I'm not gonna open that, but just in case. Let's see. This is a desk mat or pad. This is $29.99. I thought it was cute because it's like polka dot, but that's what it's supposed to look like. And then let's see what else we have. Oh, Lasting Smiles, which is sea salt and citrus. This is $45. Oh my gosh. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's cute. It's refreshing. Aromatherapy. That's a nice gift too. Also nice to have candles in the house. Okay, so that and that. And then we have Draper James. This is a basket. I thought this would be nice. Woven seagrass tray, $45. So, you know, all the trends are with these baskets and decorating. So this was a good deal. Very good deal. You can even use those glass containers and put them there, like inside. Let me show you. So you could have it like that, arranged with some fun, colorful stuff. That would be nice. And let's see. The last thing here is the Sonics. This is a Bluetooth speaker. Oh, for the bathroom. This was $45. I like the color. Just dropping stuff. Has a USB cord. It also has the holder. So, oh gosh, kind of slippery. This is a pretty color though, with the buttons there. All right, and then the last pack here is Kayo body scrubber. This was $15, mystery. So, oh, okay, so you can hang it, but it's a body scrubber. That's pretty cool. And liquid IV. That's been floating around in all the boxes. This is guava. Oh, that's gonna taste good. I actually do like these. It replaces, how many does it say? I think it's like, you add it to 16 ounces of water. And it's supposed to, I don't know why I keep looking back there. I think it replaces like 3 bottles of water. So there's a discount, 30% off, Summer FFF22. All right, so let's recap. So this was our mystery item, $15. We have the Bluetooth speaker, and that right there is a good deal. We have the glass canisters. We have the tray. We have the guac and salsa. And the candle. Am I missing something? Nope, that was it. So let me show you what I got for add-ons. So I did get this for free. It's all like shaken up. I got this for free. Smart Water Tranquility. It has ashwagandha and tangerine extract. I'm willing to try that. Vapor distilled water. Has anybody tried this? They popped this in here for free, which was cool. Let me see. There's supposed to be, oh, I'm missing something. So I'll show you that when I get it. And then I got this from Vanity Planet, is a facial steamer. This was 39. Yeah, this was 39 bucks. I do have Vanity Planet like facial brush. That has been working out very well. So this is very heavy. Not sure why, but this is the facial steamer. 39 bucks, not bad, but it's the Area Iconic Facial Steamer. It says to detox, clarify skin. Yeah, there's 3 essential oil baskets. So I thought that was pretty good for some self-care. Let me know what you guys think about this box down below. I did do 2 add-ons. One is missing, so I'm sure they'll ship it separately. But overall, I like the canisters. Those are pretty nice. And the basket is going to get utilized. So those are my 2 favorite items out of the box. Let me know which ones you like down below. Have you tried FabFitFun? Is it something that you'd be interested in? And as always, guys, stay safe.